When it's meant to be, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by itself, you gon' call reinforcements. You on the bench while I'm on the court. Niggas is cops, they making reports. Nigga all doubt you back in the Porsche. Copying me, ain't no we playing horse. I got the drop, I can't tell you my source. They could catch me lacking, don't show no remorse. Upgrade the drip, I put her in Dior. I just been shopping, still think I need more. Had a hot 100 grams in the floor. All these shows in the Hamptons. Why do I feel like I just did a local tour? Agreed to fuck one time, but she just hit me, she need more. Sleep with my gum with bullets in the drawer. Devil call my name and get hard to ignore. Hop in the sky and make the engine roar. I'm always the shooter, you can drive the V. All the people I lost, I know they proud of me. You can get a new nigga, but I'm hard to replace. Talk bun, how my back, but don't say it to my face. We spend 100K just so we go fight a case. Gotta keep it strapped when you go out, you ain't safe. When you broke, feel like life is a waste. If I move like an assassin, then I won't leave a trace. When I'm smoking on the 6 for the 8. Making hits, I'ma walk the home base. Treat her like some Henny, you will never see me chase. Designer down, got a planet on my waist. This like the 100 millionth time I dodged the case. Knew I was a problem when they dropped me off in space. My name in your mouth, I know you like how it tastes. You ain't see me in a while, had to manifest the wraith. All she want me to do is blow back out. Hope she got her hair, cause I might pull a track out. If you want trouble, tell them act out. If you want trouble, tell them act out. And I ain't trying to talk if you're not speaking facts now. Doubted me before, but look where I'm at now. If I ain't got it on me, I still won't back down. Couple G's if you trying to lay a track down. When it's meant to be, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by itself, you gon' call reinforcements. When it's meant to be, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by itself, you gon' call reinforcements.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out if you're igniting me's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, feed him from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force apart. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious.